and welcome. This is a powerful video which will introduce you to your subconscious mind. So listen to this carefully and follow the demonstration that I am showing you towards the end of this video. Enjoy it fully with full concentration and some time for yourself. Friends, energy is something which is felt. We feel energetic, we feel low on energy. It is a kind of a feeling which we get. Now, whatever thoughts are running, that's the kind of feeling we get. But what about the energy? Energy is running on hidden programming of our mind. Now, I'll take you deeper into the science of it. We have two types of mind, conscious mind and subconscious mind. Before I start this topic, my friends, I want your 100% attention on this because this is very powerful and this is not taught anywhere. Even if you go to a B school, it is not taught there. So be 100% attentive. Take screenshots or notes. So we have two types of mind, conscious mind and subconscious mind. Conscious mind is something with which we think. It's the logical mind, and subconscious mind is something which just obeys. Let us understand different characteristics. First, we'll start with the conscious mind. Conscious mind is someone who will just go on demanding, just like a boss. Boss को सब जानते हैं. I want this. Period. That's how bosses demand, right? That's the function of the conscious mind. It just asks. It stays active till you are awake. As soon as you go to sleep, it will stop working. It is like a gardener. It decides what seeds will be sown in the field. Let us relate this with a farmer. Now, if we see a farmer will decide what crop will be grown in which season, what crop will grow after a particular harvesting is done. So that's the farmer who decides. That's the exact work of your conscious mind. It will decide and tell you that what exactly is needed, and then your subconscious mind will just obey, like a fertile land. Now, if a farmer has sown a seed of apple and an apple tree will grow, but if you want to eat orange, will you be able to get orange from that apple tree? No, it's foolish to expect oranges from an apple tree. That's exactly something which is so powerful because when we sow the seeds of hatred, anger, frustration, irritation, jealousy in our subconscious mind, and then we expect happiness, we expect success, you're not going to get because we have sown the seeds of anger, of frustration, of jealousy, and so on. My dear friends, if you are with me till now, just type with you or WU because this is very important concept, and if you have understood it correctly, just type it WU. Thank you. Thank you for understanding it so beautifully. Thank you. Now, continuing with what we are learning here, conscious mind is like a watchman. It will decide what will go inside your subconscious mind and what will not go. Now that is good for us. We will feel that what is wrong in that. Let me give you one example here. What a watchman does. A watchman will either be a guard keeper. It will allow that whether someone will enter the building or it will not. Right? It is good. It is important for the protection and the safety of the people inside. But when it comes to conscious mind and it becomes like a gatekeeper, what happens? If you want a Ferrari and your monthly salary or your annually salary is say 10 lakh rupees for example, and you want to buy a Ferrari and you just close your eyes and say, I want to buy a Ferrari, wow, it's such a beautiful car. The first thought will come is, beta, पहला एक Mercedes तो ले ले, बाद में Ferrari. है कि नहीं? The reality check. That's the work of our logical mind. It will show us the reality. It will show us you are here, you cannot go there. It will show us the limitation. That's the work of our conscious mind. And that's exactly what is stopping us to be successful. I'll help you understand why. Let us understand further. And this conscious mind has a power of just 10%. Now let us understand subconscious mind. Subconscious mind, first job is to supply. Whatever conscious mind will ask, it will supply. So in the situation of Ferrari, if you say, oh, I want a Ferrari, your conscious mind will say, oh, you don't deserve a Mercedes also. How will you get Ferrari? No Ferrari given. Bechari Ferrari, it will not even be able to reach your subconscious mind. Leave it, Ferrari gone. If you ask for Ferrari, you can hardly get a Honda. That's how the conscious mind and subconscious mind will work. Because conscious mind is a boss, it will go on ordering, and subconscious mind, like a subordinate, will just keep on supplying. Your wish is my command. But subconscious mind works even when you are asleep. That's the beauty of it. It works like a fertile land. Whatever seed the farmer is sowing, it just grows. Can the fertile land say, oh, I'm not in a mood to grow grains this time, I want you to put some apple seeds? No, land will not say that. Whatever the farmer sows, the land will just give an outcome. So if you grow a cactus, you will get a cactus. If you put the seeds of flowers, you will get flowers. Right? That's the difference. Because your subconscious mind is like a fertile land. It is just here to give everything you want. But because of the limitation of conscious mind, not all things will reach your subconscious mind. So if a seed is not able to reach the subconscious mind, my friends, how will it grow? Right? Subconscious mind has one beautiful thing known as creative infinite intelligence. Subconscious mind is connected with the universal intelligence which will help you get everything, and its power is 90%. Now my friends, if you've seen this image, what we all see here is an iceberg. Tip of the iceberg is just 10%, which is our conscious mind, which is the logical mind. Now my friends, if your logical mind doesn't allow things to enter your subconscious mind, how your subconscious mind is going to give you results? And that's where energy matters. How positively you think, what you have given to your subconscious mind matters. Because it's not who you choose the result. It is what your 90% subconscious mind gives. One beautiful example I can give here is that one common thing in India, in many of our households we hear our elders say, money doesn't grow on trees. How many of you have heard this? I have heard it throughout my childhood days. Yes, all of you have heard it. Thank you. Yes, Vishal. Yes, Santosh. Naveen. Yes. This is the most common thing in our households. Money doesn't go on trees. Now this is such hard-coded in our subconscious mind that we make our money-making journey most difficult journey for us. Yes? Is it a bulb on for you that we ourselves are making our journeys difficult? If yes, just type Y in the chat box. So this is the science behind that why we are not able to achieve easily what we are set to achieve. Because we are programmed in a different way. And that's the way, that's the need why we have to change our programming. Let's understand it deeper. If you say, now I am telling some patterns to you, just make a note in your mind, I don't have time. All working professionals say, I don't have time to do this, I don't have family time, I don't have time for myself, I don't have time to eat, but I don't have time. That's the common statement. We all say at our coffee table, at our lunch tables, work is so stressful. काम खत्म ही नहीं होता है, कितना भी करो नया आ जाता है. There's no break. I'm not good enough. I can't do much यार, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं होता है, बस हो गया. यहाँ तो कभी चीज़ें बदलने वाली ही नहीं है. Things won't change. My boss is like that only. I'm never going to be successful जब तक मेरा boss है. Yes, I will always suffer. मेरे घर पे तो कोई मुझे सपोर्ट ही नहीं करता है. नो वन अंडरस्टैंड्स मी, इवन माई फ्रेंड्स डोंट अंडरस्टैंड मी. एंड वेन वी गो थ्रू दिस स्टेट, constantly when we are thinking, the command that we are giving to our subconscious mind is, I am not good enough, nothing good is going to happen to me. And because subconscious mind doesn't question, like a fertile land, it absorbs. Okay, if you feel that you are not good enough, I will ensure that you are not good enough. तो हमारे साथ जो अच्छा होने वाला होता है वो भी हमारा सबकॉन्शियस माइंड पीछे धकेल देता है, बिकॉज वी हैव प्रोग्राम्ड इट टू वर्क अगेंस्ट अस. Are you with me till now? Just type WU, my friends, because this is a very deep subject and I have tried to simplify it so that you are able to relate and we are able to understand and change our subconscious pattern. Thank you so much. Now, as a result, what will happen? If you say I don't have time, your subconscious mind will ensure that you don't have time. If you say work is stressful, your subconscious mind will ensure that the work is stressful. If you have something like, I always suffer in any situation, poor me, that's exactly what you're going to get, because your subconscious mind, like a very good servant, will serve whatever you have asked for. It's like going to a high-end restaurant and asking a Maggi. Whereas you can be served any global dish, but you choose to eat Maggi. That's the difference. We have a powerful subconscious mind, but we end up asking what we have learned for with the limitations. Whereas there is unlimited possibility which can happen with subconscious mind. Agree? If you're agreeing, just say yes. Now I'm just switching on your video for one demonstration. Are you ready to do one demonstration which will show that your subconscious mind is something which is listening to us now also? I have allowed the participants to share their videos, so you can just try showing the videos. Yes, thank you very much. Okay, thank you so much. So I just want you to see that okay, this put your left and the right hand like this facing each other, and this I've just put it here to show you, but you can place it right in front of you like this, I mean on your in front of you like this in front of you, and keep them loose without any pressure or any stress. Just keep them loose. Now tell me one thing. You would have known about a magnet. Magnet attracts each other. It just joins, right? So I will tell you something which I'll say out loud, and you have to just repeat it in your mind. Okay? You just have to repeat it in your mind after me. You have to just follow my words. So you can gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Take another deep breath in and breathe out gently. Okay. Keeping the hands relaxed and in a calm and a comfortable position, think that your left hand is the north pole of a magnet and your right hand is the south pole of the magnet. Just repeat after me, because what happens when north and the south pole of the magnet meet, they attract each other and they stick to each other. Just repeat after me in your mind. My left hand is a north pole. My right hand is a south pole. My left hand is a north pole. My right hand is a south pole. My left hand is a north pole. My right hand is a south pole. You'll feel something that is attracting between your palms. You'll feel the attraction. Your palms are now coming closer and closer. My left hand is a North Pole. My right hand is a South Pole. Feel the attraction between your palms. The palms are coming closer and closer. Because your left hand is a North Pole, your right hand is a South Pole, and North Pole and the South Pole of the magnet is attracting, and your hands are coming closer and closer. Now, keeping your hands in the position they are, you can gently open your eyes without removing your hands. Yes, you can open your eyes. I'm unmuting you. I'm allowing you to talk. You can just unmute yourself, Santosh, and you can share. Was there a magnet in your hands?
Yeah, it's really magnet.
Yes. So what happened then? Were
I
you
don't know
did
why.
you push your hands like this, or
No,
it
no,
happened
it's
naturally?
automatically it's coming.
Automatically it's coming, right? That's what I wanted to share, and that's what we all have as the subconscious mind. When we are experiencing this, our hands do not have magnet, right? It doesn't
Correct.
have any magnet. But because we are commanding to our subconscious mind that our hand has magnet, and because subconscious mind can give us instant results, it is giving us the result that our hands are coming closer, though there is no magnet. Now, this is just a small demonstration of how powerful our subconscious mind is. So, if this subconscious mind can create a magnetic attraction where there's no magnet, you think it will be powerful enough to help you achieve your dreams?
Yeah, definitely.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.